नमो नमः। अमल कमल संस्था लेखनी पुस्तकोद्यत करयुगल सरोजा कुंद मंदार गौरा धृत शशधर खंडोल्लासी कोटीर चूड़ा भवतु भव भयानां भंगिनी भारतीनः। अयि मान्याः विद्वद्वरेण्याः संशोधकाः छात्राः प्राध्यापकाश्च सर्वेभ्यः भूयांसि नमांसि। Department of Sanskrit, University of Mumbai is celebrating Diamond Jubilee year on the occasion of completing 60 years. As a part of this, we are organizing 60 lecture series on Indian knowledge systems, that is Bharatiya Jnana Parampara. Indian knowledge systems includes the knowledge preserved in India for ages through oral and literary traditions. Technically, IKS is a very broad subject because it will include all knowledge disciplines about India preserved in all Indian languages. Though it is so, Sanskrit is the key to opening the treasure of ancient Indian knowledge systems. For example, texts like Lilavati, which is on mathematics, Rasaratnakara, which is on chemistry, Mayamatam on architecture, Shulpa Sutra on geometry, Mrugapakshi Shastra, which is a text on animals and birds, are found in Sanskrit. India has a rich tradition of intellectual inquiry and textual heritage that goes back several thousands of years. IKS can be traced back to Vedas as they are considered the earliest literary source of Indian knowledge. Vedas, Vedanga, Sutra literature, Itihasa, Purana, Darshana literature, classical Sanskrit literature, Dharma Shastra, Smritis, and scientific literature are important sources for understanding Indian knowledge systems. Ancient knowledge systems are classified in Chaturdasha Vidyasthanas, that is 14 Vidyasthanas, and Chatushashti, that is 64 Kalas. We have a great tradition of Shastra literature. Shastra means the knowledge which is systematized in a definite framework. Indian knowledge system encompasses all the systematized disciplines that were developed to a higher degree of sophistication in India from ancient times, and all of the traditions and practices that the various communities of India have evolved, refined, and preserved over generations. The entire body of knowledge is categorized as Para and Apara Vidya by Mundaka Upanishad. Knowledge related to ultimate reality is called as Paravidya, and all disciplines of worldly knowledge are known as Aparavidya. Further, we know the distinction between Jnana and Vijnana, which is known as observational knowledge and experiential knowledge, respectively. IKS includes Shastra texts and traditions related to pure and basic sciences like mathematics, astronomy, physics, chemistry, botany, architecture, medicine, agriculture, textile, metallurgy, etc. It includes social sciences like philosophy, aesthetics, performing arts, psychology, economics, polity, sociology, etc. It also consists of language, grammar, linguistics, manuscriptology, paleography, lexicography, environmental science, etc. Sanskrit Department, University of Mumbai, takes this opportunity to explore various dimensions of IKS as a part of its Diamond Jubilee celebration. I hope that it will provide us indic approach and methods to understand modern scenario. NEP 2020 has given importance to IKS at all levels of education. We will have different scholars speaking in this lecture series, former heads, visiting professors, distinguished alumni, and scholars associated with the Department of Sanskrit will unfold different aspects of Indian knowledge systems. We are commencing this lecture series on the auspicious day of Shravana Shuddha Purnima, which is celebrated as World Sanskrit Day. The inaugural lecture of this series will be given by former professor and head of the department, Dr. Gauri Mahulikar. She will speak on IKS in the light of NEP 2020. There will be subsequent lectures by notable scholars in the field, Dr. Uma Vaidya, former R.G. Bhandarkar professor and head of the department, and also former vice chancellor of KKSU, Professor Vijay Pandya, alumni of the University of Mumbai and President of India awardee, Dr. Veena Londhe, former Dongi professor of the department, and many such notable scholars. There will be featured interviews of senior scholars as well. As a head of the Department of Sanskrit, University of Mumbai, I heartily welcome you all to this lecture series. I extend greetings of the World Sanskrit Day to one and all. Vishwa Sanskrit Dinasya Shubhashayaha. Hardaha Shubhashayaha. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel to receive further updates. Namo Namaha. Dhanyavadaha.